a heavy heart to mourn the loss of a truly remarkable soul, late Dr. Ricky Singon. And sir, to tell you, today we are supposed to have the Disha meeting at West Cass Hill. I was talking with the DC yesterday, what are the points that we need to discuss regarding the Disha meetings. Since we are having the session, I have conveyed that I couldn't be able to attend. But last night, me and Bar Charles we also were playing football together. After 8:30 we left, and after 15 minutes, Bar Charles calls me that he was in the hospital and informed me that Dr. Ricky Singon is no more. His passing is not just a loss to his family, but to the entire community. He was a man of deep humility, quiet strength, and genuine compassion. In a world where people seek often recognition, Dr. Ricky Singon chose simplicity. His life was a reflection of service, not show, of substance, not status. Since I've met him very often, and he used to come to Nongstoin for service, in many of the occasions, I've met him, talked to him, and he was a very special person. What made him truly special was his simplicity of character. He lived a grounded life in values, honesty, kindness, and humility. He spoke gently, acted wisely, and treated everyone with respect, regardless of their positions or background. His presence itself brought comfort and reassurance to those around him. In this moment like this, what often fall short, but what remains eternal are the memories he leaves behind. Memories of kindness, of wisdoms, and of a life well lived. I and the people of my constituency would like to send a condolence message to his family and all to his loved ones. May you find strength and comfort, the love and support that surround you. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.